Hello, people of YouTube. My name is Jade, and I am Lola. Well, Lola, what do you want to make today? On the Lola and Jade channel? Oh, I don't know. Why don't we make some how about we make a lovely pudding cup. A pudding cup. That's your big idea of a very good cooking. Yes. What's your idea then? Let's make okay, that's enough of twirling stuff. So what do you want to make? Healthy snacks for basketball. Okay, sounds good. Come on, let's go. First, you take the water bottle. Here, I'll take the water bottle. You stay back and say all the stuff. Okay. Anyway, first you take the water bottle and you fill it up with water. Ironically. Okay. So, as you can see, she's taking a water bottle, a very big water bottle. How do I pick this thing up? I don't know how to pick this thing up. Whoopsies. Oh, well, that's one way to pick it up. Anyway, she's gonna go fill it up with water now. Be right back. As you can see, she is moving over to the sink. Now you take the water from the sink and put it on. Ew, it's all filthy in here. Oh, just fill it up. And you turn it on. It's filling up. That's good. So there's that. And you take it. Hello. Now set it down gently. That seems just enough. Then you take your top. And you put it on. And then you here, I'll go twist it on. Don't worry, I'm holding the camera. With you. Okay, stop messing around with the camera. Okay, now that you have it on tightly, give it back to the cameraman. Okay. Okay. Now that you have it on tightly, you can go get something to eat. You stay there. Watch. So you're coming over, grab something, and it has to be healthy, like an apple or something. And then you're ready for basketball. Bye, YouTube!